On today's menu, an easy and delicious recipe that's just glistening with flavor. A delicious Shanghai-style noodles. Lei Ho Ma, that's us going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Yeung. This is one of my favorite noodle recipes to make. It's quick, it's delicious, it's easy. Let's begin. These are dried shiitake mushrooms. They're incredibly packed with extraordinary umami. You can submerge and soak these in water for about 3 to 5 hours, or boil them in a covered pot for about 10 to 15 minutes. When the mushrooms are tender, remove them from the pot. You can save the water for another recipe as it's been infused with delicious, earthy mushroom flavor. Bring some water to boil for the noodles. I'm making enough for myself today, but of course you can multiply this recipe to make more if you like. Remove the end bits from the gailan as it can get a little bit woody. Then separate the leaves from the stalks. Gailan is sometimes known as Chinese broccoli. It's earthy, has a nice crunch, and a subtle sweet flavor. Set the gailan aside and peel 2 pieces of garlic. Roughly chop the garlic and set aside. Roughly chop 1 to 2 sticks of green onion. Green onions are aromatic, add a nice pop of green color and a nice fresh flavor. Remove the stalks from the shiitake mushrooms. The dry shiitake mushrooms tend to have really tough stalks. After removing them, thinly slice the mushroom caps. You can definitely use fresh shiitake mushrooms instead, but I find that rehydrated shiitakes have a much more robust texture. Boil the udon noodles to package instructions. This frozen bundle is about 250 grams of noodles. Remember to give it a stir to release the noodles. Next, prep the sauce by combining about 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce, a splash of toasted sesame oil. Give it a good mix and set aside. When the noodles are done, drain and set aside. Non-stick pan, medium heat, couple teaspoons avocado oil. By the way, this episode is a bit of a companion video to one of the recipes found in the second cookbook, simply titled Cook with Confidence. For more information about this book or the other Young Man Cooking cookbooks, definitely check out that link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. As always, thank you so much for supporting the cooking show. Gailan stalks, garlic, saute for about a minute. Add in the shiitake mushrooms and the green onions. Saute for about 2 minutes. Add in the gailan leaves, followed by the noodles and that delicious sauce. Saute for another 1 to 2 minutes, then you're done. This has got to be the simplest, delicious noodle recipe ever. Plate the noodles and enjoy immediately. You can now cook up these delicious noodles with absolute confidence. These are one of my favorite type of noodles. There really is no reason for takeout when you can make this so easily at home. Visually, it's rustic and inviting. It's just so casual. And from that first bite, you're welcomed with that incredible elasticity and chewiness from the robust udon noodles. The sauteed garlic really leaves a nice garlicky perfume onto the noodles. And of course, that sauce brings everything together with that salty umami, as well as that toasted sesame aroma as well. The green onions add a little bit of freshness, and the gailan adds a nice fresh crunchiness and a beautiful green color. The dried shiitake mushrooms have an extraordinary chewy texture, and it's also packed with that delicious umami. There's a little bit of sweetness from that hoisin sauce, and that's also what helps color the noodles with that beautiful caramel color. This is definitely one of the simplest, most delicious noodle dishes you can make in no time. Like I always say, it's simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so much fun and exciting to cook and dine in at home. If you love easy, delicious recipes like I do, be sure to check out or pick up your copy of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. There's a print or digital version available in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. As always, if you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed to our email newsletter, that is the best way to stay notified so that we can cook together again in the next episode.